Hopefully you all are fine and working good. In this session we are continuing our last tutorial session, that is based on SQL basic learning and its tutorial. Now I am before starting this session, it is necessary to tell about our channel, that is Virtual Pro. Please like, comment, share and subscribe it, and also provide feedback what changes you need and what videos and tutorial and what skills you also need it, so that we work on upon it. Now start working on this session. In this session I am going to work on same as select command, but in this I am continuing and applying arithmetic operators as well. First of all, I use the same command to use and select database, that is use database name and go. You will successfully select the database. Now I am write select command and select static from table name I put sale detail. This is our table name. Now I will execute by pressing execute button, or you may also press F5 for the shorthand keys. Now this is like the many results, approx 149,000. Now I use first field item code. Now then use SQTD quantity, that is set quotation quantity, SQTD QTY. Now I use SQTD rate. Now and again execute. This is the result which I want. Now if I want and make a report or need amount of this item code, then I also use arithmetic operator like we have done in all languages. For this I use SQTD QTY multiply by SQTD rate. It will give me amount. 2 multiplied by 5,000 make equal to dash. Now I name this column name, which is unknown right now, as total. You may also use other operators like the operator like minus SQTD got it. Now I am using divide operator. This is the dash. Okay, I am using divide operator. Dash is dash, and if I now I also use other operators like this error divide by 0 is due to mathematical operator, because there is maybe zero quantity in this field. That's why it can't divide by 0. Okay, now I will move using another operator, minus sqtd by remain. Now you can see it successfully subtract two values. Minus 50y. Now you may successfully see that it subtracts successfully and gives 0. Now if I want to add plus operator, then it will also done it. But remember, this plus operator can use in SQL for concatenation and plus operation, that is mathematical operation as well. Like we have seen in previous session, that plus operator can also we can use in previous session for concatenation of two fields. But this concatenation only apply on varchar field or varchar character field. But if there is any numeric field, then this plus operator will be useful used as a mathematical operator. Now I can use many other operations, other mathematical operator like plus, minus, divide, and I can, if I use multiple operation, then I will use bracket of to precedence what operation I will perform first. So this is a basic use of mathematical operation in SQL language. Now after that we will move towards their operator. Thanks, and keep watching our channel, that is Virtual Pro. Please like, share, comment and subscribe and provide our feedback. Keep watching. Thanks.